Come here. Look what Grandma and Grandpa got for you.
What is that?
What does it have on it?
You want to bring it out here a little bit and we can try it?
Wait.
Well, what do we got to do first?
We gotta get our helmet on. Put the card up here.
How's Daddy's house?
Come here.
Here.
This is what Grandma and Grandpa bought this helmet for you too. Did you ever tell them thank you?
No. I didn't.
We'll have to do that next time we talk to him.
Oh, testing it out.
Helmet works.
We're gonna have to tighten this up a long ways, but not today.
And then bring it.
Wait. Okay, go back by Daddy.
Hold on a second, Goof.
Okay, now you gotta put your feet on the pedals. There you go. You have to push this foot forward now.
There you go.
Wait, don't push them back. Push them forward.
Whichever one's up, you got to push it back down and forward.
Okay, here.
You're doing pretty good for your first time, I think.
You ready? Keep pushing. Okay, keep pushing. You gotta get your foot on the pedal.
Wow. Ooh, look at you go fast. Okay, hold on.
Your turn.
Oh.